A battle is brewing over control of the St. Louis Police Department tonight. City leaders are asking the court to weigh in on the legalities of the state takeover of the city police force. Thanks so much for joining us. I'm Kelly Jackson.
And I'm Mike Bush. That lawsuit was filed just days after the city leaders asked the police board for more information on their $250 million budget request. 5 on your side's Holden Kerwicki joins us now with more details on the suit and why it was filed now.
Well, Mike, according to Sonia Jenkins-Gray, the vice president of the Board of Police Commissioners, the two sides had about a $30 million gap in the proposed budget for SLMPD. And while the board was waiting on the city to counter the deficit, they admittedly were caught off guard when the city filed a lawsuit instead. The lawsuit, which was filed in the Circuit Court of St. Louis, asked the court to decide if the legislation allowing the state to take over SLMPD is legal. The city claims the board's budget demands aren't realistic and amount to little more than an unfunded state mandate. Members of the police board and Chief Tracy said today that they're willing to negotiate on the police budget, but Mayor Spencer says their demands would harm workers in other city departments.
But by law, we have to put things out. They have to certify. They have to certify a budget, and then we can work off of that. And that's what we're trying to. That's what the board's trying to do. That's what we're trying to do. And no one's looking to harm the rest of the city just for the sake of the police department.
It was my intention, to make this work. We did all of the things we could to find a resolution, and we have found ourselves at an impossible impasse.
Mayor Spencer went on to add that she is and has always been committed to returning control of SLMPD to the city of St. Louis. Attorney Chris Greville, who is representing the police board, told me the lawsuit could actually bring some clarity as to where the fiscal responsibility of the board actually lies. Mike?